Hey guys, so this is a quick video for the Recteq Flagship 1400 pellet grill. What are the things to be aware of if you want to get it? And reasons why you shouldn't. So it's built like a tank. It's a huge, massive cooking surface. So if you're looking for like a lot of things to cook, like this is a way to go. And it's built like a tank. So you got a great hopper there. And high quality sturdy metal control knob notifies you when a grill reaches target temp, and also comes with a wired meat probe, so that's good. So a lot of quality and it's like good product, that's for sure. Now what are the things to be aware of? So first thing first, stock wheels may struggle on uneven surfaces, so that's something to be aware of. And also you can like upgrade it if you want to. You don't have a front shelf. This is another thing, and probably that maybe it will be like needed. It's more expensive side, as you can see, so that's also important. And the front shelf could be like important. And a size might be overkill. So if you don't have a lot of people that you could like cook it for, don't let don't let your eat it up. That like just really calculate if it's necessary for you. And the Wi-Fi sometimes works, sometimes doesn't, so can't really say, like really depends on the person what kind of phone they got. And also the hotspot and the edges. So edges char faster because the drip pan stops about 1 to 2 inches from the side and the back. And needed to keep the proteins in the middle, not over the edges. So yeah, it's still good product. Build quality, massive capacity, heat distribution. The hot edges, check it out. Maybe like wheel upgrade and sharp edges. So that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.